Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to create categories and subcategories in Shopify. To do that, go to Shopify and then log in to your account. Then from your Shopify admin, go to Products and then click Collections. Then in here, just click Create Collections at the upper right corner. Give your collection a name, and this will be your main category. For example, if you're selling a clothes, you might create a collection called men's clothing. Example. Then you can set conditions to automatically include products in this collection based on certain criteria like product type, tag, or vendor. If you want to manually add products, skip this step. To create subcategories, you can create additional collections within the main collection. Just click on the Add Collection, then name this new collection as your subcategory. For example, T-shirts. And then you can add now your products to each collection. So that's how to create categories and subcategories in Shopify. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.